First, we're starting with a ripe banana, a great source of complex carbohydrates and natural energy. One banana regular has 15-gram carbs. Next, we're adding some dates as 3 medium-sized dates according to 1 glass, packed with natural sugars, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium. 3 medium-sized dates have 15-gram carbs. Now, add half cup roasted black chickpeas, a boost of protein and healthy fats to support muscle growth. Half cup black chickpeas contain 15-gram carbs, 3-gram protein, and 1-gram fat. For a touch of sweetness, we're using 1 tablespoon honey, a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Honey 1 tablespoon has 15-gram carbs. And finally, we're blending it all with milk, a great source of protein, calcium, and vitamins for overall growth and development, and also bone health. You can use whole milk or skimmed milk both. Whole milk has more fat than skim milk. 1 glass of whole milk contains 12-gram carbs, 8 grams protein, and 8 grams fat, but skimmed milk doesn't contain fat. Simply combine all the ingredients and blend until smooth. Enjoy your weight gain smoothie. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and fitness tips.